Welcome back to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the top 10 heart-healthy foods that you need to include in your diet. Our heart is one of the most vital organs, and taking care of it should be a top priority. So, let's dive right in and discover these fantastic foods that can keep our heart strong and healthy. The heart pumps blood through rhythmic contractions throughout the body. If you do not take care of this most important part of the body, there is a risk of unwanted complications at any time. Additional symptoms including cardiac arrest may occur. But if you are a little aware, the heart can be kept healthy. Many accidents can be avoided if the remedy is known before getting sick. And for this I want to know some rules. In order to keep the heart healthy, one should follow a diet along with a disciplined lifestyle. So let's discover a list of foods for good heart health. Number 1. Pomegranate. Lowers LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels in the blood, regulates blood pressure, and helps in removing heart blockages. Number 2. Papaya. It heals or revitalizes the damaged arteries of the heart, prevents arterial disease and reduces high blood pressure. Number 3. Organic curcumin or turmeric. It is said to be nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory. Lowers blood LDL low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels, prevents blood clots, prevents artery disease and lowers blood sugar levels. Number 4. Eggs from naturally raised chickens. Eggs are one of the best sources of non-vegetarian food and are full of nature's versatile nutrients including vitamin D, K2 and selenium. Provides nutrition and weight control value to the body. Apart from this, its proper absorption and distribution of calcium prevents artery blockage. Number 5. Krill oil. Oil from a special species of tiny marine shrimp. Contains EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids that are 50% more effective than fish oil. Lowers LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol and triglycerides levels in the blood, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Number 6. Spinach. Best source of organic magnesium and calcium, which is very important for heart health. Number 7. Grass-fed beef, ghee, and butter. Conventional medicine prohibits eating these because of the harmful saturated fats. But eating grass-fed meat will provide L-carnitine, coenzyme Q10, which is essential for heart muscles to produce energy. Ghee contains K2 and CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, prebiotics that are essential for the good bacteria in the colon. Ghee lowers LDL cholesterol levels in the blood and makes the brain and nerves more efficient. Number 8. Raw garlic. One of the natural medicinal ingredients for heart protection. Reduces LDL cholesterol levels in the blood, regulates blood pressure, reduces the level of plaque formation in the arteries. It can be eaten with honey. Number 9. Medicinal coconut oil. Nature's wonder medicine. This applies to any degenerative disease. I recommend using it in almost all cases. Keeps the ratio of cholesterol in the blood. It is a prepared energy for the heart muscles. Number 10. Herbal tea. Antioxidant, anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, anti-hypertensive. Black tea, on the other hand, produces more acid in the body. Food should be provided according to the needs of the heart, and protection should be given to the heart according to the needs. And there you have it, our top 10 heart-healthy foods that you need to incorporate into your diet. Remember, a healthy heart leads to a healthier life. So, let's make conscious choices and take care of our hearts through the power of nutrition. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on leading a healthy lifestyle. Until next time, stay heart healthy.